So let's go ahead and look at MT5. Okay, we are going to close that, take the profits, boom. Whoa, this is EU. No, this is gold. Gold has gone through the level right here. Let's see how far is gold willing to go. Is it going to go to this level? Let's see how far we're doing. Okay, gold is kicking ass right now. Yes, yes. I'm gonna let it keep going. Okay, and then UJ is dropping as well. Anticipation is for it to come to this level. We're just gonna let it keep going. And we have EU. EU is also doing its thing. I'm gonna close EU for now. Let's close EU. All right, we have taken EU and we are going to go to UJ. See what's going on with UJ. Okay, that's still dropping, and we're gonna let gold keep going as well. Maybe we should take gold. So what happened is there was news at 10, and PMI, consumer sentiment, and manufacturing prices all came in below what was expected, and this is all red. Consumer spending came in slightly higher, but this is a non-factor. It's low impact news, so that doesn't matter. And also inflation expectations came in pretty even, but it's also low impact. So these three pieces of news here is what really matters. The PMI, consumer sentiment, and the manufacturing prices is what's pushing the dollar down and pushing gold up. All right, let's go back and see. Let me go ahead and close gold just in case. Take that. And then we're gonna let UJ run, because I do think UJ is going to drop some more. But then again, it's almost 10:30. Close it. All right. So we are out of all our trades. We had a hammer time on UJ as it dropped. Then we had a massive hammer time on gold as it spiked up. And then we also had a hammer time on EU as it spiked up. So we're gonna see if there's a retracement. Let's see if we have more opportunities here with gold. Wait for the retracement and then go in. I still think I'm gonna do a buy because I still think that there's going to be more opportunity, at least for one more hammer time. And then also with UJ, UCAD, I mean, ooh, EU is going nuts, but I'm gonna wait on that. And go ahead and close that, and go to MT5. Boom, we're gonna take that. Gonna take that. The two hammer times in gold. We're not gonna be greedy. We're gonna wait for the reversal now. We're gonna wait for the reversal. So right now, the play is just UJ. Actually, I'm gonna get out of it. I'm gonna get out of it because I do anticipate a reversal somewhere around here. Only because it's Friday. So yeah. So it's saying we're at 2,000 plus, but I think it's actually more than that. But we'll take it. Okay, EU is reversing, so I went and put in trade, and hammer time is kicked in. So the anticipation is for it to come back at least to this level. Let's go ahead and mark that up on trading view. So let's go back to the 15, and the anticipation is for it to come back to somewhere around this level right here. The retraction, that's what we're looking for. Okay, mark that up. All right, go back to MT5. Okay, EU still going. Let's see if it's gonna get to where we're looking for it to go. All right, we're gonna keep holding. The alert that was over here was triggered. So as a result, on UJ, I went ahead and put in a trade. We're looking for it to retrace to this level right here. Let's go ahead and mark that up on trading view. So let's put this on 15, and we're looking for this level right here. somewhere around here. So we'll mark that up. Gold is still, looks like it's starting to slow down. You can see volume is starting to go down. So we're gonna wait for it to at least trigger this alert right here before we consider entering gold. Okay, EU alert has been triggered. We're definitely down there. So let's go ahead and look at MT5. Okay, we are going to close that, take the profits, boom. All right, so we were able to get some profits from that retracement. And also we had a hammer time when price was going up. So that's 2 good hammer times on EU, which brings us to 2,500 for the day. Could have been a lot more than that if we didn't have this prior losses from trades before. Well, it's 25, then minus the fees, you have 2,461. Let's see, where's gold? Woo, gold went nuts. I could have put in the 3rd hammer time, but that's okay. UJ is still struggling to retrace, so we're gonna wait on that. Let's look at UCAD. I think UCAD is on the verge as well. But we're gonna, let's see. Let's go back to trading view. Gold is on a mind of its own. I'm not even gonna worry about gold right now. Okay, I think UCAD is ripe for entry here. So we're gonna UCAD do a buy now. Okay, we're gonna deactivate EU. Okay, gold is, man, I don't know what's up with gold. Let's go back to gold here. Wow, it is ripping. All right, we're gonna move this up and get alerted when we have a retracement on gold. All right, looks like it might be slowly turning now, but we'll wait and see. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. Yeah, we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. Give it some room. Let's go ahead and mark this up. Oh, how many times on UJ are kicking in? That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and mark up the anticipations on trading view. So if we go to UJ, okay, we already have that marked up. So the anticipation, let's bring this here. Anticipation is somewhere around there. And then if we go to UCAD, the anticipation is also going to be pretty similar to somewhere around here. It's kind of close actually. This is what we look like on MT5. All right, let's hold and see what happens. Okay, let's see who is going off. UCAD. UCAD has reached the, so let's see what UCAD is doing over here. Where is UCAD? All right, we're just gonna take that. It's a small profit, but hey, I'm gonna take it. Now we're just waiting on UJ. Remember, hit my level, hit my level. Let's look at the 5 minute. Okay, I think we're in a new candle. I think it's gonna hit that level when this candle finally picks up. You can see RSI is trending up now. QC is almost up there. This is the 5 minute, but it's not quite there yet. We'll look at the 15. Yeah, RSI hasn't crossed over, but it's trending up. And QC as well. So that's a good sign. I think we're going to at least hit that level. At least. That's the anticipation. Okay. UJ alert has been triggered. You can see across the level over here. Go to MT5. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Anyway, I'm going to close it because I don't want to risk it. Just gonna close it, take those profits, Let's see where we're at right now. Okay, we're at 2,600 for the day. Well, 2,652.76 cents minus the fees. We have 25.98 and 26 cents. All right. Now we're just waiting for gold. Gold is still going. But we're gonna wait for the retracement. It's too late now to enter into this push. I should have kept it open, but anyway. Okay, it looks like gold is not going to retract. It has stayed up on the highs this long, so yeah, pretty much calling it a day. I don't think it's coming back. In fact, there was some news that came up earlier. Let me bring this up. Yeah, update. Gold surges to record high as weak data raises hype of rate cuts on the horizon, right? So gold went to record highs, and it looks like it's not going to come down from that. If we go back to MT5, we can see right here on the top, it's pretty been flat at that level. So yeah, I don't think it's going to come back down. Maybe Monday, because today's Friday, and not much is really going to happen over the weekend, trading wise. So I could have held this a little bit longer. I closed early. That's something I really need to work on. You know, this was all money that was left on the table, and that is not good. You do not want to leave all this money on the table. This could have been another $1,500 to $2,000 really. However, this was pretty good right here, so I will take it. Okay, so that is it for gold. If we look at let's go to UJ. Yeah, UJ, we had a hammer time on the way down, this right here, which was great. And then on the retraction, the brief retraction, we had another hammer time, which was great. Now, I could have re-entered here for another small hammer time and close it, but again, having two hammer times on one asset on a day, on a single day, I think is good. We also had some plays on EU. If we look at EU right here, we had a hammer time on the way up, and as EU retracted, we had another hammer time over here. In fact, let me just use the circle. Yeah, we had another hammer time over here, which was okay. This we had another hammer time over here, which I think was pretty good. So overall, what does that mean for the day? If we look at history, that amounts to 2652.76. So $2,652.76, which minus the fees brings us to $2,598.26. So yeah, that's pretty good. You know, to do $2,600 in a day, but it could have been a lot more, especially with the money that I left on the table with gold. So that could have been easily between $3,600 to $4,600, but that's okay.